Welcome to Safubafo Shito Mpedede P.O. Boss in Chinamti stroke in dokono. Too much pepper in the shito has two benefits: burning your mouth or burning your bottles. I welcome you all to Safubafo's big family. Rule number 1, Shito Impe Makwa Edede. Today we are going to prepare Shito without fish powder. Now let's get started. We all fry fish in our homes, and normally when we finish, we throw the oil away. This time, please don't throw it away. Oil boiling. Oil is expensive, so don't throw it away. We are going to use it to make the shito. You need 2 red onion, 2 white onion, 2 spring onion, 1 bulb garlic. As for the pepper, according to how you want your bottles and your mouth to burn you. I did not peel the skin of the ginger away because it is a medicine. After that, add half glass of water to it to help the blender to blend it. After blending everything fico, we are going to boil it or cook it without adding anything to it. Please cook it or boil it on a medium heat. The kiti jano. While cooking it on a medium heat, continue to stir it till you realize that it has become a little bit thick. Please make sure the under don't burn. After cooking it on a medium heat for some time and realizing that the water or you've gotten the desired texture, let it rest. Now we are going to pour the oil that we use to fry the fish. If the oil is not enough, add little oil according to how you want it. It is true that shito drink a lot of oil, but if you cook it on a medium heat, it is not going to drink much oil. After everything, we are going to fry the mixture in the oil. Don't let the oil be too hot before frying it in it. After mixing the cooked mixture in the oil, we are going to add the chili powder pepper. This is where I made a mistake. I added too much pepper, and after that, I realized that shishimano any meyam. After adding the chili powder pepper according to how you want your baby to shishu, add the shrimp powder, monko powder. I added 3 monko powder. If you want more, you can add 4 or 5 according to the available quantity you have in your kitchen. The next, we are adding salt. I don't know how you want the shito to be. If you want your shito to taste like seawater, then you can add more salt. Then add your any natural spice that you want. Add it. Rule number 1, shito mpeja edede. Please boil it, cook it on a medium heat. Let it boil ankasa. After you nya atinkase abeno, then let it cool down. On the next day, then begin to put it in any container of your choice. I did not add too much oil because I'm going to preserve it inside the fridge. If you don't have access to fridge and you are watching me from Ochimbe, please add more oil to it so that it can preserve it if you are going to keep it for long. Obi nka se di ushito ne umako se udi na se wanu mune ubabi shishu la triba bonosu ya tuma and na wara. Keep something you don't want for 7 years and it shall become important to you. Thank you for watching Safubafo's TV. If today is your first time of hearing this wonderful voice, kindly subscribe, like and comment. God richly bless you.